Good morning, everyone. After a long time, we are back to Fun with Grammar. And this time, we'll start with lesson 11 the phrases. Okay? Lesson 11 the phrases. Please try to understand it's very simple to understand phrases. Now, for that, first we need to understand what's a sentence. I hope everybody is very clear about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now, sentence has three qualities, three characteristics. Number one, it begins with a capital letter. A sentence must begin with a capital letter. It ends with either a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. It ends with either a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Now, third thing, a sentence should have a verb. A sentence should have a verb. Now, coming to phrases, it is easy to understand phrases when we have understood sentence. Now, phrase is also, just like sentence, a group of words. A group of words, but it has some meaning. It might not have complete meaning, but it has some meaning. But what we need to understand is a phrase does not have a verb. A phrase does not have a verb. It cannot begin with a capital letter. It cannot begin with a capital letter. It cannot end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Like, it is very different from the sentence. All three things are unlike the sentence. Sentence has a verb. Phrase does not have a verb. Sentence begins with a capital letter. Phrase does not begin with a capital letter. Sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation. A phrase cannot end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. What are the examples of phrases? Like I told you, phrase is a part of a sentence with some but not complete meaning. So it will give you some idea of it will give you some sense but not complete. Example, in a room. Now we know something is happening in a room. There is someone in the room, but we do not know completely. On the table, through the tunnel, for 5 minutes, at 10 o'clock, etc. These are examples of phrases. Answers I am sending you in the under the assignment section in your worksheet. Let's see. In a room, there is a girl in a room. On the table, I kept my cup on the table. Through the tunnel, the bus crosses through the tunnel. For 5 minutes, I was lying for 5 minutes. I was sitting for 5 minutes. At 10 o'clock, I go to work at 10 o'clock. I have a class at 10 o'clock, etc. I hope you all have understood nicely. We'll revise it in the next class also. Do not worry. Answers be bhej you. Plus, we'll have this session again in the next class. Okay? Till then, bye.